Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the best tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Ready to discover why quinoa should be your new superfood? This tiny seed packs a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's dive right in and explore the amazing benefits of this incredible grain. First off, quinoa is a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This is particularly important because our bodies can't produce these amino acids on their own. Perfect for vegans and vegetarians looking to get their protein fix. Incorporating quinoa into your diet ensures you're getting a balanced protein source without relying on animal products. Next up, quinoa is loaded with fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa has 5 grams of fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation. That's almost twice as much as most other grains. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for those looking to increase their fiber intake. Fiber is key for digestion and can help you feel full longer. A win-win. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol. Quinoa is also rich in antioxidants. These little warriors help fight off free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and keeping your cells healthy. Antioxidants are crucial for preventing chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. More antioxidants mean a stronger immune system. Including quinoa in your diet can help you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. Did you know quinoa is gluten-free? It's a fantastic grain alternative for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Plus, it's so versatile. You can use it in a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your meals. You can use it in salads, soups, or even as a breakfast porridge. The possibilities are endless, and it adds a delightful texture and nutty flavor to any dish. Now, let's talk about minerals. Quinoa is packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. These minerals play vital roles in various bodily functions. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar and muscle function. Iron supports red blood cells, and zinc boosts your immune system. Talk about a powerhouse. Including quinoa in your diet can help ensure you're getting these essential nutrients. One more thing, quinoa has a low glycemic index. This means it won't spike your blood sugar levels. It's a great option for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. It's a great option for people with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar. Including quinoa in your meals can help you maintain a balanced diet. And here's a fun fact. Quinoa is incredibly easy to cook. Rinse it well to remove the natural coating called saponin. This can make it taste bitter. This simple step ensures your quinoa tastes its best. Then, cook it like rice. 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa, bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. It's a quick and easy addition to any meal. Fluffy, nutty, and ready to enjoy. You can pair it with your favorite vegetables, proteins, or even fruits for a delicious and nutritious meal. To sum it all up, quinoa is a nutrient-dense, versatile, and delicious addition to your diet. It's a simple way to boost your meals with essential nutrients. From boosting your protein intake to supporting your immune system, it's clear why quinoa deserves a spot on your plate. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bag of quinoa and give your meals a superfood upgrade. Experiment with different recipes and find your favorite way to enjoy it. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.